In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up family calendars in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a dedicated shared calendar that keeps everyone on the same page for appointments, events, and reminders, all in one place. To follow along, make sure you're signed into your Google account on a computer, since the layout is a bit clearer there than on mobile. We'll start right from the beginning and move step by step without skipping anything. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. This will load your main Google Calendar view. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your regular Google account details. Once the calendar loads, you should see your main calendar in the center, with the current month or week displayed depending on your default settings. Now, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel that lists your calendars. There should be a section for your main calendar, and just below that, a section called Other Calendars. This area is where you can view and manage additional calendars beyond your default one, which is perfect for setting up a separate family calendar so it doesn't get mixed up with work or personal events. Within that Other Calendars section, move your mouse to find a small plus icon. It's usually to the right of the heading text. This plus icon is what you'll use whenever you want to add something new, like subscribing to a calendar or, in this case, creating a brand new one. Click that plus icon. A small menu will appear with a few different options. From that list, choose Create New Calendar. Go ahead and click that option. This will open a new screen or panel where you can set up the details of your family calendar. Here you'll see fields for the calendar name, description, and time zone. In the name field, type something clear and recognizable like family calendar, home schedule, or anything that makes sense for your household. This is the name that will appear in your calendar list and in the color legend, so choose something everyone will understand at a glance. In the description box, you can add a brief note about how this calendar will be used. For example, you might write that it's for family appointments, school events, sports practices, or shared reminders. This step is optional, but it can be helpful, especially if you end up with several shared calendars later. Next, check the time zone setting. Make sure it matches the time zone where your family lives so events appear at the correct times for everyone. This is especially important if you or your family members travel or live in different regions. Once you've entered the name, description, and confirmed the time zone, you're ready to finish. Look for the Save button on this page and click Save. Google Calendar will create your new calendar with those settings. After saving, your new family calendar will appear in the list under Other Calendars on the left side. From here, you can start adding events to it, and if you'd like, share it with your family members so everyone can see and update the same schedule.